In the meantime, I've been joined in the studio by Stunited, Manash and Imran. They've all come in to talk about Stunited. Now, I couldn't pronounce that before for some own reason, but I've got it now. Stunited. Tell me, guys, what is Stunited?
Thank you very much for invitation. Actually, I'm Manash Mukherjee, the CEO and founder of Stunited. The Stunited is fundamentally a social media platform for the students. In an easy way, it's a platform, you can say we have got LinkedIn for the professionals, but the Stunited is a platform for students and the freshers because they need more time, more opportunity, we believe, in order to contribute to the society. So we are making a platform that bring the businesses, bring the students, bring the opportunities together and create a cohesive society which is eventually making a good impact to the society.
So how do you go about that? What do you do? How do you get the students involved?
It's basically it's a let's say social media like LinkedIn or Facebook, same it is. So people, they do come here. We got a lot of marketing, SEO, etc. So people, they do come, they log in. It's all entirely free of cost. They just get into it without login as well. They can have a look what exactly happening. They can find the opportunity. They can like, share, comment. They can apply for the various jobs. They can apply for various different events happening locally and all across the global, all across the United Kingdom, as well as there are lots of different forums, etc. So they can also get a lot of opportunity to meet and greet a lot of people, a lot of being a members as well, and it doesn't cost them any money.
Right. So a student, this is open to freshers, new students, etc., would come along, get on your website, and then what would they find?
Well, basically, can I just explain this to you in a better way that people will understand who are listening? This is also a platform which is in the sphere of the social media in the internet. At the same time, Stunited is an existing company working in Northampton where people or students from all over the country and local students from UK can join in to get their educational facilities, especially nuanced facilities that they need in order for them to have the job skill training, various other trainings, social media presence, their profiles, their LinkedIn kind of profiles for them to get jobs. And also So Stunited carries out a lot of researches, so which actually enhances the students to go out and find a job in their own field or any other field, as well as having a qualification in universities, but at the same time they have this extracurricular knowledge which can be very instrumental for them to search and find the various different jobs that they are in the market, as well as it gives them a connectivity with the rest of the world. They can be sitting in Northampton, but they can apply a job somewhere in New York, somewhere in America, somewhere in India. So it is.
Yeah. So basically, as we said, that we are dealing with the students, maybe local or international, doesn't matter. But the point is, the young people, the youth, the students, if we know how to use Instagram, it doesn't mean that I'm digitally illiterate, right? So even when they don't know that how to make the proper training to apply for the job and anything, because maybe some other issues, maybe their depression, mental health, or maybe they are distracted by the social media, other stuffs, maybe other reasons. So we just bring them together. So this is, you can say, Stunited is a bridge between the employee and the employers, and the training how to get the job. We train them to get the job in the proper way, in a proper legitimate way. That's how we are dealing with. This is Stunited.
So what is your role within the company?
So basically, I'm the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer in Stunited, and in the same way, I'm dealing with the students every day because I train them, I groom them, I train them, and the jobs, how to use the proper, legitimate way, the training, the social media and everything. And not only that, we usually, I think the performance depending on the mental health as well. Sometimes they need to talk, there was a problem area. What is the exact problem area that is stopping them to get the proper job or anything? So I'm the one who is dealing with all those jobs every day.
So is everything done online, or is there a meeting place where people can come and meet you?
Both physical and online. They have the premises, we have the offices. So how we work work hand in glove. So, I mean, for example, a cohesive society where I belong to, cohesive society, say we have the Ukrainian people who came as a new migrant, and for them to acclimatize with the UK job skill training, I needed to find some platform to train them to learn how to apply for jobs and to learn these skills. So then I hired them, or we collaborated each other, and we gave the training. So when I look at the local students, if they need any training, I seek their help. And when they need to have youths to do community work, volunteering work, they refer it to us, and we then employ them for volunteering works and various other social works that we carry out in the area. So both the companies are existing together, very hand in glove, to give each other the services in order to have a flow of students who know what to do and what to do in their life when they go out of their students' life and to get into the real world of employment. So that is where actually we are the interlocutor in between these two phases of life, basically.
So whereabouts are you based? You say you've got offices, obviously got a meeting.
Yeah, we're based in Northampton, it's NN3 area in Birchfield Road. So we got our own premises. The downstairs is specifically dedicatedly for the training room, is Northampton NN3. Yeah.
And what is the website again?
It's www.stunited.org.
Okay. And is there any other contact details that you want to leave? Is there phone numbers at all?
Yes, if you just type in Google Stunited, that's it, because we've got a huge presence throughout the online. So if they just type Stunited, and hopefully that should come, or maybe job skills training, or maybe students, social media, any keyword if they wish. Pretty much we have got nearly 20 keywords which has got a serious ranking. So it's very easy to us to find it out. Okay.
Thank you very much for coming in and telling us all about that.
Thank you.
Thank you.